Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, student? Hope you all will be fine. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's start our lecture with prayer. Rabbi yassir wa la tuyassir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen. Okay, nursery class. Today we will do the page number 49 and 50 of summer pack workbook. Open your page number 49. Yes, page number 49. Count, trace and match the objects. Count, trace and match the objects. Firstly, write the date and day on the top of the page, and then we will first trace the counting. Okay, what is this? 11. 11. 11. Okay, trace 11. Start from this dot. Make a straight line like this. Yes, again straight line like this. What is this? 11. 11. Okay. Next, what is this? 12. Make a straight line. Start from this dot. Yes, like this. Make a slant line and then go back. What is this? 12. 11. 12. What comes after 12? 13. Trace 13. Make a straight line. And 3. Go round. And then again round. What is this? 13. What comes after 13? 14. Make a straight line. And then again straight line. Start from this dot. And again this line. What is this? 14. Yes, 14. What comes after 14? 15. Straight line. Then a circle, half circle, and make a straight line like a head. What is this? 15. 15. Repeat it one time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now count the things and match the number with the correct things. Okay, count these bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many bin? 12. Yes, match bin with number 12. Like this. Very nice, class. Okay, now count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many candles are there? 14 candles. Match 14. Match with the 14 number. That is the 14 number. Yes, this is the number 14. Okay. Now you will do this same. Okay, count these penguins, then count these apples and count these ducks and match with the correct number. Okay, solve this page by yourself. Now come to the next page, page number 50. Draw lines to match the same shapes. Okay, now we will match the same shapes. What is this? Circle. This is the revision of shapes. What is this? Circle. Yes, circle. Okay, now find out the shape of a circle. Is this a shape of a circle? No. Ball has a shape of a circle. Match circle shape with the ball. Match circle shape with the ball. Yes, very nice. Now What is this shape? Square. Square. Yes. And what is the square shape? This is the square shape. This is the photo frame of square shape. Okay. Match square with the shape of square. Square. Okay. What is the next shape? Cylinder. Cylinder. And the pencil box has the same shape of cylinder. Match with the pencil box and repeat it. Cylinder. Yes. Okay. Do this page at your homework. Okay. Do the page number 49 and 50 as your homework. Okay, nursery class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.